The Certificate 4, or what we refer to as the Certificat de chef de partie in either cuisine or patisserie, comes in after students have completed their 9-month study in either the Diplôme de cuisine or the Diplôme de pâtisserie, followed by their 6 months of industry placement.
Obviously in Certificate 3 you do learn the basics of how to cook and the techniques in the kitchen, and obviously how everything works and the procedures, but it doesn't take you the extra step to become a chef.
Studying Certificate 4 is a great way to open up doors in the industry. You learn about hospitality management, hotel management, how to manage a restaurant, how to team your staff, how to look after your own finances, and it just sort of gives you a really good grounding into the industry.
When you get back into the kitchen, you're going to be learning modernist cuisine techniques where you'll be utilising, sous vide bath cookery, low temperature, cold smoking, all these sorts of techniques which are utilised in the kitchens these days.
Students will also have master classes in butchery, and they go on numerous excursions to fish markets, to produce markets. They get to understand the whole concept of paddock to plate, as it's referred to in the industry.
The chefs who move into studying the Certificate 4, the Diplôme de chef de partie, they'll be mentored by significant chefs from our industry.
With the Certificate 4 and the Advanced Diploma, this means that you have greater employability skills. It means that you are better trained, you have more experience, and therefore you are more likely to enter the industry at a higher pay grade.
It really sets you differently from Certificate 3 because now that you know how to cook, they teach you how to cook more from a head chef or an executive head chef role. And that opens up a lot of doors for you in the industry, and it automatically sets you apart from most people on CV, especially because you've got Le Cordon Bleu next to your name.